Hello Willow class, I hope you are all well. Today we are going to make a jellyfish, a very easy jellyfish to go with our new under the sea topic. It's very easy to make and I'm going to show you how to do it now. All we need is a piece of paper, some felt tips, a pair of scissors, some sellotape and some tissue paper or any other material that you have got around the house to decorate it. So first thing what we have to do is to draw a circle on our piece of paper. I just used a plate, just draw or any circle that you've got around the house so that you end up with a shape like this. Our next step is to cut a line just into the centre, just a slit, so you have something like this. So what we're going to do now is just to fold our piece of paper to make a cone shape and just to secure it with a piece of sellotape. So we end up with something like this. Now, all we need to do is to decorate it. So we can use our felt tips or anything else you've got around the house if you want to use some paint or anything. And you will end up with your cone shape and some lovely patterns on whatever you wish to choose. So now we need to put our tentacles on our jellyfish. So what I've done, I've just cut some pieces of tissue paper. You can use whatever material you've got around the house, and I'm just going to attach the tissue paper to our cone shape. You can use whatever you like, whatever material you've got around the house. So we're just going to go all around our cone shape like that. So you can see now it's beginning to look like a jellyfish. So once we've finished, we should end up with something like this. So what we do next is attach some string to the top of the jellyfish, and then we can hang it up wherever we want around the house. I think I'm going to put mine on my door. So Willow class, let's see if you can make some jellyfish and use some lovely colours as well. Have a go and have fun, and please send me your pictures. Thank you Willow class, bye, see you soon.